Welcome to an awe-inspiring walking tour through the archaeological site of Mycenae. We'll embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of this captivating Bronze Age citadel. Mycenae, nestled in southern Greece, is a place shrouded in myth and history. This ancient site is situated on the northwestern side of the Acropolis and is known for its iconic Lion Gate, the symbolic entrance to this ancient treasure trove. During the winter season, you can visit Mycenae from November 1st to March 31st. The site is open from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. In the summer months, the site opens early, from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. in April, and from May 2nd to August 31st, it extends its hours to 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. In September and October, the site opens at 8 a.m. but it gradually closes earlier, from 1930 to 1800 by the end of October. The entrance fee is €12 for adults and €6 for reduced admission. However, during the winter months, November to March, the reduced admission fee is applicable throughout. If you plan to explore multiple historical sites, consider the special ticket package for €20, which is valid for Mycenae, Tiryns, Acini, Palamidi, Museum of Nafplio, and the Byzantine Museum of Argos, lasting for 3 days from the date of issuance. Let's delve into the heart of Mycenae's archaeological wonders. The Treasury of Atreus, or Tomb of Agamemnon, was built between 1300 and 1250 BCE. It's a massive tholos tomb and one of the last of its kind in the Argolid. This architectural masterpiece stands as a testament to the engineering prowess of the Mycenaeans. The iconic Lion Gate. Erected around 1250 BC, it is the largest surviving sculpture in the prehistoric Aegean, featuring 2 lionesses in a heraldic pose. This gate bears an iconic motif that survived without burial, and it's the only relief image described in classical antiquity. A visit to the museum, you'll find a treasure trove of artifacts and historical exhibits that provide further insights into the Mycenaean civilization. Cyclopean masonry, found in Mycenae's walls, is another intriguing feature. These walls, constructed with massive limestone boulders, seem unworked but are a marvel of ancient construction. The Greeks believed that only the mythical Cyclops had the strength to move such enormous boulders, giving rise to the term Cyclopean. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow best travel video and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content.